Shubor nagaslem jong unongsan hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Jela ubalong ru Presiden ke NPP Conrad K Sangma ha kasngi balang ula ong ba kaliang persya ka keno ya ke NPP bakala thok ye ki pat ba ke Jela ha ka bayade ba ka jingpen bed ya uput usam. Henry Conrad ula ther kala ya kaliang persya pat kham tam yo Menteri Rangba barim Dr. Mukul Sangma. Haba ai jingkran ha ka jingelang jong ki dukhot ka seng samla ke NPP lani ka National People's Youth Front ula ong ba yaki kerteng jong kisnong ladep ban ai ha usnam 8,000 khatwei da ka sarkar jong Dr. Mukul ula ong ru bagitu kisnong ki bami shakhmat ban pen pau bagi kwa bandan bat ka Meghalaya kim dan kerteng satya ha ka thop jong usnam 8,000 khatwei Namar kata Conrad ulabu jingkeli ya ka sarkar barim hapo ka jingelam Dr. Mukul balai ba ka klem let jurep haus nam 8,000 khatwei syakitu kithan ula ongru balada kila let ban jurep ka jing persya kan amdan satya komba kalong menta ula kenno badai Dr. Mukul umam shimla penrung kerteng ya gitu kisnong na kaliang Conrad Sangma ula pen pau baha ka bayadai bat kisnong ki badan syabar jong kathop ka sarkar kamla satya ban yakren Ula kedo ba ka jingya keren kalong halor kisnong kiba ka sarkar Meghalaya kala Aisha ka sarkar Assam hausnam 8,000 khatwei. Shu ula yathu ba Menteri Rangba ka Assam ula keren syai ba anla ban ya keren tang halor kisnong kiba don ha ka thop bat am halor kitu kibam don. Ula ongru ba kidon kibri kiba penpa bakin let chaying bishar haba ya dei ba ka jingya soy ka soskular penbet puat lane ka memorandum of understanding. Kaliang Conrad ulapan pau baki MDC jong ke NPP kim dan bentalang habaya day bat kania ula ongru ba kwa ban keno hendai ude ubrio shimen ubaki nong yalam jong ka seng ka ba udon kilaya don bentaha ka por balaya soya ke MOU bat mauru ula don bentalang ha ka por balaya kren banya ban bet khaput hendai benta kimi ban le politik.
We tell the audience here today so that you can tell the people of the state that the villages that were put for discussion and for debate and for discussion on the areas of differences, that list of villages was not prepared by this government. The list of villages was prepared in 2011 by Dr. Mukul Sangma, not by us. And the villages that he has mentioned saying that we have left out. My friends, I want to tell him and tell all of you, it is not we who left it out. It is Dr. Mukul who left it out in 2011. Those villages were never in the list. And I want to ask the then government, Dr. Mukul Sangma, that I wish that you are making all those visits today to those villages to try to take political advantage of the situation. I wish you had made that visit in 2011. If you had made the visit in 2011, those villages would not have been left out. It is you who has cheated the people, not the National People's Party. I'm not you, means Dr. Mukul. It is Dr. Mukul who has cheated the people of the state and left out those villages. Don't blame the National People's Party and this government for it. In fact, let me tell you, an internal discussion, Honorable Deputy CM and the rest are privy to it, that while we are having the border discussion, the state of Assam has been most gracious to us. These villages that have come to us were villages that were under the administrative control of Assam. A large number of them. The voting was in Assam. The MGNREGS scheme was through Assam. The power supply was through Assam. The water supply, the road connectivity, every single aspect was there. But when the question was asked by the Chief Minister of Assam, where do the people of these villages, which are in the list, because outside the list discussion cannot happen, because like that then there'll be more and more hundreds of villages coming up. Government of Meghalaya gave a list in 2011 and that is the list on which we worked. We can't expand the list every year. So therefore Assam CM said what do the people of that area want? And the officials of Assam said that they want to be with Meghalaya. And Assam government and Assam CM said, then let them go to Meghalaya. If there were other villages which had been in the list, Assam CM told me that we would have agreed. If the people wanted, we would have agreed. But those villages are not in the list, Conrad. How do I include them now? How will I justify to my people that Meghalaya never demanded for these villages in 2011? How are we adding to it? To this level, the confidence with Assam and Meghalaya is there today to work towards a solution. And I assure you that after detailed consultation with everybody, we would like to move forward also in other areas. And today there are individuals, I won't say autonomous district councils, I will say individuals who are making statements saying that they would like to go the legal course. Let me inform those individuals who are making such statements today that the NPP MDCs are not part of that statement. Let me also inform the individual who was making this statement that he was very much part of the discussion when this discussion took place. Why are you trying to now create a political situation out of this and trying to take a political damage? The individual, I'm not saying party or organization or the autonomous body, one individual. We do not appreciate this kind of double standard that is being done. When we have decided this to work together as a coalition, then every member of that coalition party should also be united in the decision that has been taken together. Political members of those parties were also present when the MOU was being signed. Ministers of that party were present out there. And I know that the party has no differences in that issue. Certain individuals have. But I must stress that our party and our MDCs and members are fully committed to the decision that has been taken by the NPP-led government.